Hey family, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome, welcome, welcome. From the title, you know we're going into fashion today. Yes, today we're going to look at 10 of the most fashionable dancehall artists in Jamaica right now. Cause we know that Jamaicans can dress. And when them a put style together, them go all out. Our Jamaican artists can stand up to any fashionista in the world because they look damn good. So, before we get into the video, if you have not yet subscribed, please do so. And remember to turn on your post notification bell so you will not miss any of my videos. And please remember to like and share. So here we go. Starting off the list, we have Mr. Conscience himself. Yes, sir. He is the definition of fashion. How could we have a list without Conscience? No, sir. Conscience always test the temperature of fashion. Him always push the envelope to the limit. In fashion them no normal. But they always look good pan him. Boy, I don't know if somebody else try it if it look good pan them, but for him one always look good. Him always turn up. Next on the list is Spicy, yes sir. My girl always look good. Spice are one of the most fashionable dancehall artists. And one of the boldest. Man, she just know how to put the raunchy and the classy together right at the edge. She there. Fear one them have a buzz. Next we have Danielle The Eye. Boy, I might have say a long time she not there around, so probably she shouldn't be on the list. But she always look good. Girl always look good. Girl always look fresh and clean. I style them turn up. Cause the girl look good. Yes, sir. She made the list because the girl always look good. Next on the list is Mr. Elephant Man himself. Nobody no have a question Ellie style them. Ellie always stand out, yes sir. Ellie style them no normal. Not to mention the hairstyle them. He has some flamboyant hairstyle they will just go with him, suit them. Him outfit them always stand out. Them just different. Them just say Ellie. Also on this list is Alkaline. Yes, Alkaline is the face of Vendetta Urban Wear Collection. Theme style, you know, the thuggish style, but he look good. Yeah. Him style them stand out. Thuggish and look good. I don't know if anybody else would have did bring them off. Probably. But for right you know, him style them up there. They look good, it has a one. And then you have Miss D'Angel herself. Yes, sir. D'Angel always look good. We can't go around that. D'Angel always look good. Yes, sir. She also she can give a lesson or two to other females in the business how to dress. And me no doubt her. And she earned the right for that because she always look good. Well, let's face it. Girl was a model. Yes, my girl said me can teach the girl them how to be fashionable. And I like she tell because she always look good. And we know say Beanie did have to make the list because Beanie man just fresh and clean. And for a man up there so. When I say Beanie a old man, but He look good, him relevant. He make some of the young boy them look like they not try. Beanie fashion them dip on top. Beanie always look good. We can take that from Beanie. Beanie always look good. We also have Stylo G. Yes, brother. Them say there is a reason why he's called Stylo G, because him style them always dip on fleek. He makes a statement every time him step out, cause him fashion dip on point. Well, you might ask me how she made the list, but she's a dancehall artist. Yes, sir. Me hear one song where she sing one time, so that make her qualify to be on the list. And her style them always look good. Them raunchy bad, but them have a buzz, you know. And that is Yannick Curvy diva. Yeah, she always look good. Some people say she over the edge, but to each his own. To the people them who love fair style, she always look good. Yeah, so she made the list. That one might be debatable, but he put her part. And then how could we complete a list without Tanto blacks? Me not laugh, I no care what no one say. Tanto stand out from afar. Anyway, Tanto they wanna know see a Tanto. Yes, sir. Tanto style them up there. Uno know see him signature depa every one him style them. So how comes? Yes, sir. Tanto style them no normal. I mean, I think nobody else could have tried them things and get away with it, brother. Only Tanto one. Tanto is Tanto. Yes, sir. And closing off the list, how could we not have Miss Shensia? Gal clean, gal look good, and gal always ready. Yes, sir. Shensia look good, and her style them look good. And there are a few others who might not have been included in my top 10, but they look good and we did have to mention them. Yes, people like Lisa Mercedes, she always look good. Cecile Bad Girl, Tammy Lee Spartan, Ding Dong, and Aishana. So yes, them people they stand out too, so we have to mention them. That is my top 10 list. Comment below and tell me who your top 10 best dressed dancehall artists are. It will be interesting to see the combinations. And thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.